Okay guys, we're going to show you how to do a factory reset on your Orbic Magic 5G. This is not a hard reset, this is a factory reset. So you're going to scroll up to go to your apps, and you're going to go to settings. You're going to scroll all the way down to system, and then you're going to click on advanced. Now you're going to say reset options. And then of course erase all data, factory reset. Click on that, and then you click erase all, and it'll do that. You will need your Google login to sign back in after this is done. So that's that. So make sure you can log into Google before you do that, of which shouldn't be a problem for most people. Bye.